Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Palmer, and I know that you might need some help with this. I'm going to get you started, but I am not doing all of it because we've done a lot of these. All right, so here's some examples. So it's saying here that if the fractions have a denominator of 10, 100, or 1,000, it's easy to write as a decimal because if we have tenths, we know it goes in the tenth spot, and if we have hundredths, it goes in the hundredth spot. But not all fractions have those denominators, but some are easy to change. So you can see fractions with denominators of like this, and if you see one of those, you've got some options. All right, so fractions with a 4 on the bottom. 4 times what would give us 100? Well, there's how many quarters in a dollar? 20. There's 4 quarters in a dollar, and a quarter is for 25 cents. So 1 times 25 would be 25. If we have 25 hundredths, it's going to give us 25 hundredths. So you're going to continue, and you're going to multiply the top and the bottom here by 25, and then change it into a decimal. Told you I'm not doing all of that. I'm getting you started because you are big brain. All right. How many times does 5 go into 100? Well, you could count by 5s up to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And you'll notice that you counted 20 multiples of 5. Okay. All right. 5 times 20 is 100. 1 times 20 is 20. So that's going to give us 2, 0, which is the same as 0.2. All right, and you got to finish that. I've already given you the multiple, so you know it. All right, I'm going on to the next page. 20 times what gives us 100? Well, 20 times 5 gives us 100. 20 times 5 is 100. 1 times 5. Now, be careful. We have 5 100ths, so I know I need 2 decimal spaces, okay? And my 5 goes in the hundredths spot, and then I put a 0 right there. Okay, be very careful. If you've got a single digit over 100, it's not going to be right there. 5 cents, that's 5 pennies, is not the same as 50 cents. All right, so 25 cents, how many quarters in a dollar? There's 4 quarters in a dollar. 2 times 4 is 8. So again, we've got one of these where we've got a single digit, but we have hundredths. So we need to go to the hundredths space. Okay, my 8 goes in the hundredths. Be very careful. This is saying I have 8 pennies, not 8 dimes. Okay. All right, last one that I'm going to do with you. The rest you have to do on your own. I've given you an example, so you've got to use your brain and repeat those examples. 50 goes into 100 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. And again, be really careful. We have 6 pennies. If I have hundredths, I need to go to my hundredth spot. I'm going to fill that in. All right, this back page, you can do a couple of things. 1, you can use your notes from yesterday. 2, you can convert these. So let's change these over to, let's multiply top and bottom by 2 here, top and bottom by 2, 8 tenths. So I've got 8 tenths. I also have this in my notes from yesterday. 1/4. Now listen to me. Is 1/4 the same as 1/4? Does that even make sense? Is a quarter of a dollar 14 cents? Absolutely not. No, you guys know how many quarters are in a dollar. There are 4 quarters in a dollar, and that's 25 cents. All right, when you get over to this one, this should really say 0.66 repeating. Okay, 0.66 repeating is 2/3. So how much do you think 0.33 repeating would be? Exactly. All right, I'm showing you a few more examples and then we're going to move on. You've got to do this on your own. All right, eighths. Eighths are in your notes from yesterday. You should know that 1/8 is equal to 0.125. So if you have three 1.25s, you could just add 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. You're going to add these up, and that's going to give you your answer for this. Okay? And the rest is in your notes from yesterday. All right? Send me an email. You guys got to do this stuff on your own. Love you. Bye.